Nikon COOLPIX A900 Silver. Insane 35x optical zoom that destroys smartphone photos.
What if one tiny camera could replace your smartphone, your camcorder, and even your heavy DSLR on vacation? The Nikon COOLPIX A900 Silver does exactly that, with 35 times optical zoom that reaches 840 millimeters, true 4K video, and a flip-up screen for perfect selfies, all in a body that slips right into your jacket pocket. One click and suddenly you're photographing wildlife like a pro from the hotel balcony. This isn't just a camera, it's pure photographic superpowers. You're standing in front of an incredible moment. Your kid scoring the winning goal, a deer 200 yards away, the sunset over Santorini, and your phone completely fails you. The photo is blurry, zoomed-in shots look like pixel soup, and the video is shaky and low resolution. You tell yourself, next time I'll bring the big camera. But you never do because it's too heavy, too complicated, and you don't want to look like a tourist with a lens longer than your arm. So the moment passes and the memory stays mediocre forever. Meanwhile, everyone else seems to come home with razor-sharp, frame-worthy shots and silky 4K videos. You're tired of settling for good enough photos when you know the moment deserved epic. The Nikon COOLPIX A900 Silver ends that frustration forever. Imagine pulling a sleek silver camera from your pocket, flipping out the screen, and instantly zooming from wide scenic shots at 24 millimeters to crystal clear wildlife or sports action at 840 millimeters, all with real optical zoom, not fake digital cropping. The 20-megapixel sensor and Nikon's legendary glass deliver colors so rich and details so sharp that your friends will swear you hired a pro. Shoot buttery smooth 4K video that looks cinematic on your television, or flip the screen 180 degrees and nail perfect travel vlogs and family selfies without guesswork. Handheld shots at full zoom stay rock steady thanks to 5-stop vibration reduction, something even many big cameras can't match. While smartphone shooters are stuck at 2 to 5 times digital zoom and grainy results, you're pulling in distant subjects with detail that makes jaws drop. One camera handles everything. Vacations, kids' games, concerts, hikes, birthdays, no lens swapping, no heavy bag, no regrets. Real owners can't stop raving. A travel creator took it to Southeast Asia and said, "I shot temple details from across rivers and street food close-ups without ever changing position. My followers thought I was using a $3,000 setup." A dad who bought it for his daughter's dance recital recorded stunning 4K footage from the back row and cried when he saw it on the big screen. After 5 years of heavy use, owners say the silver body still looks brand new and the zoom is still the sharpest I've ever owned. Major review sites call it the best travel zoom ever made and a pocket miracle. Even in 2024, it's the camera people refuse to upgrade from because nothing else delivers this much power in such a small package. Stop settling for blurry, zoomed-in disappointments. Click the link in the description right now and get the Nikon COOLPIX A900 Silver, the legendary super zoom that's still crushing smartphone cameras years later. Stock is limited, especially the silver version everyone wants, and once you experience real 35 times optical zoom and true 4K in your hand, you'll never go back. Thousands of travelers, parents, and hobbyists already made the switch and call it the best camera purchase they've ever made. Don't miss another once-in-a-lifetime shot. Claim yours before they're gone.